If you're saying affirmations every day and nothing in your life is changing, then this is the real reason why. Believe it or not, your subconscious mind has its own language. And if we're not speaking the language of our subconscious mind, I mean, you can repeat your affirmations until you're blue in the face. Nothing is going to change in your results. So let me break this down step by step on exactly how you can start making your affirmations work for you. Now, to do that, we've got to bring this stick person into play. Now, if you've never seen this before, it's very simple and it's very easy to understand. I want this big circle to represent your mind and let this small circle represent your body. Now, our mind is split into two parts. The top half of the big circle is our conscious mind. The bottom half of the big circle is our subconscious mind. And this is our body, the means through which we act and our behaviors lie. Okay. Now, our affirmations are what we use our conscious mind to impress this new idea upon our subconscious mind. Now, why are we doing that? Well, the reason that we want to alter the subconscious programming is it's because our subconscious mind is in control of the vibration that our body's in. Now, there's a law of this universe called the law of vibration, and that means that you can only attract what you are in harmonious vibration with. Now, because our subconscious mind controls our vibration, we need to alter that if we want to bring more money into our lives, if we want to bring more abundance, more love, and more happiness into our lives, okay? So when we affirm something, we are using our conscious mind, our thinking mind, to impress it upon our subconscious mind. Now, whatever is going on inside of our subconscious mind must express itself through our body in our actions. And also, what is going on inside of the subconscious mind, because it's in control of our vibration, it's also in control of what we attract as well. Okay. Now, what most people are doing with affirmations is they're saying it over and over and over again consciously, but they are not mixing the secret ingredient to allow that affirmation to sink deep into the subconscious. Now, that secret ingredient is emotion and feeling. Remember, conscious mind is our thinking mind, subconscious mind is our feeling mind, it's our emotional mind. So, let's say you've got an affirmation of, I am so happy and grateful now that I have turned my yearly income into a monthly income. If you're going to use that affirmation, I want to stop there because 2 years ago, that's the exact affirmation that I used to go from £15,000 a year to over £18,000 a month. But if you're going to use that affirmation, it is not going to work unless you mix emotion and feeling with your words. Now, the subconscious mind only understands the language of emotion. So, what most people are doing is they're just saying their affirmations, they're just using words and they're just using logic and reason. And that is like going to China and speaking English to a Chinese person who only understands Mandarin, okay? They're never going to understand what it is that you are trying to tell them. That's the same with the subconscious. The subconscious only understands words and language that has been well mixed with emotion and belief. So your action step is, I want you to get a powerful affirmation. I would really suggest using the one that I used. I don't wonder if this works. I know this works through experience, okay? We're going to use the affirmation and we're going to say it with our conscious mind. Now, all spiritual treatment is an action of the conscious upon the subconscious. I am so happy and grateful that I have turned my yearly income into a monthly income. Now, when you're saying this, I would recommend waking up, writing it out first thing in the morning, and repeating it 10 times out loud. But when you're repeating it, if you want results, you have to learn to mix emotion and feeling with your words. Once you mix emotion and feeling with this new affirmation, your subconscious mind is going to pick up on it. And through repetition of doing this over and over and over again, your subconscious mind is going to accept it. Once your subconscious mind accepts that you are now earning a month what you used to earn a year, you are going to attract the people, the resources, the situations, and the conditions to manifest that in your physical life. It's not about working harder. It's not about changing your marketing, changing your sales strategy. It's about convincing your subconscious mind that you are already earning what you want to earn. Now, once that's done, you will attract everything that you need. It will come to you like gold dust. Now, why does it come to you? Let's say a person is subconsciously programmed to earn £50,000 a year. Once their subconscious mind accepts that they're earning £50,000 a month, they are now on the vibration of a person that earns £50,000 a month. They are no longer attracting thoughts of a person that earns £50,000 a year. Once you change your subconscious programming, I'm telling you, everything starts to change in your life. And 2 years ago, this is exactly what I did. When I came across Bob Proctor and he told me, look, just do what I tell you to do and you can have anything that you want, I really didn't believe that. But I believe that Bob believed it. And now, fast forward 2 years, I am top 1% of Bob Proctor's consultants worldwide. And I absolutely love sharing this information with you guys. And if you want one-to-one support, I would love to invite you to a one-to-one call with me. And on this call, I will show you exactly how to get from where you are to where you want to be. And I will show you those subconscious blocks that are keeping you stuck where you are. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, maybe or whatever, then this call probably isn't for you, okay? But if you are really serious and really committed to reaching a massive goal this year, then I'd really encourage you to go to the link in the description and book the one-to-one call with me. Now, my calendar is really busy, but what I've done is I've opened up the next few days with some calls because I really want to support you, okay? And it's a first come, first served basis. And once the slots are gone, they're gone. So go and do it right now. But also, what I want you to do is carry out the action step. I am so happy and grateful that I have turned my yearly income into a monthly income. Now, you are only going to start seeing results in your outside world once you mix emotion and feeling with your affirmations. And this is why most people are doing affirmations over and over and over again, and they're getting more and more frustrated because the more they do it, the more the results don't change. The secret is emotion. Feeling is the secret. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I'm Mccleoud, and you have an amazing day.